Okay, so in this problem, they want to know the graph of 0.5x minus 2y is equal to 3 is shown on the grid. Now we can see it right here. They want to know which ordered pair is in the solution set of 0.5x minus 2y is greater than or equal to positive 3. Alright, so what we're going to end up doing is the first thing we'll do is we'll go and graph this inequality. So let's go to our calculator. We want to do a graph. Since the y is not by itself, we're going to graph this as a relation. So once they're in relation, we can type this in exactly as it appears. So it was 0.5x minus 2y is equal to, is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, let's double check that. 0.5x minus 2y greater than or equal to 3. Okay, that looks good. So we press enter. There's our graph right there, our inequality. So if one of our choices is in the solution set, it should be in the shaded section. Alright, so what we'll end up doing is we're going to go ahead and enter these choices. We're going to enter these choices right here. And what we should see is one will be in the shaded section. So we go back to our graph. Now, to plot these points, we can go ahead and go into our geometry menu. So we're going to go Menu, Geometry. I want to put this into points, and I want to see it as a point. Okay, so right here, for me to start typing, I'm going to click on open parentheses, and I'm going to type in my first choice. My first choice was -2, enter, 0.5, enter. That answer, here's my point right there, that's not in the shaded section, so that is not an answer. So I'm going to type in my next point, open parentheses. My next point is 2, enter, 1, enter. There's my point 2, 1. That does not fall in the shaded section. That is not an answer. Okay, we enter our next one, open parentheses again. Our next point is 2, -1. 2, enter, -1, enter. Now here, notice that it falls directly on the line. Now let me escape this. When I touch my line, I see that my line is a solid line. So that means anything falling on that solid line is an answer. So letter C would be my answer choice because it falls on that solid line. So let's go back to our graph. Our answer choice, I'm sorry. And so right here, the correct answer is letter C. And once again, it falls on the solid line, so it is an answer choice. That is the correct answer.